Hello everyone. So I installed this elongated one-piece toilet. It has a 17-inch high seat. The dimensions of this toilet are 27 inches deep, 14 inches wide, and 25-inch height. One of my favorite things about this toilet is this quick release. As you see, you just click that little gray button there and it comes right off. Once you're done cleaning around it, you put it right back on. It also has this soft close feature, so you don't ever have to worry about noise. Another amazing feature about this is this dual flushing system. The smaller button here exerts 1.1 GPF for liquids, and the longer one exerts 1.6 GPF for solids. It has these lids to cover up the screws once you're done installing the toilet for a nice sleek design. This was my first time ever installing a toilet, and I honestly thought it would be a lot more complex, but the instructions came with it and it was nice and easy. All I needed were some pliers to tighten up the bolts around the screws. Here's a quick look once you remove the lid. You have all your features there. I added my own tablets to make the water blue. This one-piece toilet integrates the tank and the bowl, unlike other toilets, so you have less leaking problems in the future. So now, 2 months later, I haven't had any issues with it, and for an amateur installer such as myself, it's still working pretty well, and I'm guessing it's the simplicity of this specific toilet, but I'm not having any issues with it. The only complexity I recall is when tightening those screws on the bottom, when those caps came off. It does help if you have the proper tools or if you have somebody with smaller hands to tighten those screws. All in all, this toilet fits perfectly in my bathroom. I liked its design, and there you go.